Okay, so in this example, we're going to be finding the volume of the chest by combining the rectangular prism, and the top of this rectangular prism is half of a cylinder. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to separate this. So a rectangular prism. And again, what is the formula for a rectangular prism? Volume is equal to the length times the width times the height. Or in other words, 30 times 25 multiplied by 50, which is going to give us an answer of 37,500, and that's centimeters cubed. Now our cylinder, or in this case, half of our cylinder, okay, we're going to basically set up our formula for volume, which in this case is going to be pi radius squared times our height, or in other words, pi, in this case, our radius, we don't know, but we do know our diameter. Our diameter is 25. And I know that because if this is the bottom of my rectangle, then this has to be the top, which is also 25. Half of 25 is going to give us our radius. So in this case, half of 25 is going to be 12.5, and that's going to be squared, times our height. Now, here's where you might be thinking the height is 30. It is not. The height is shown here because it's the height that connects the two bases of our cylinder. So in this case, the height is going to be times 50. Now we're going to multiply this all out. Okay, pi times 12.5 squared times 50, and we're going to get a grand total of 24,553.6. And again, that's a rough estimate using either pi or the pi key or 22 over 7 as the ratio. Now here, and again, this is centimeters cubed, because we have only half of a cylinder, we're going to take this value and we're going to divide this by 2. In doing so, when I divide that by 2, I'm going to get an answer of 12,276.8. And again, it's still centimeters cubed. Now I can go ahead and I can combine my rectangular prism volume with half of my cylinder volume. For a grand total of 49,776.8, and that is centimeters cubed.